Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Today let us see the flag pattern and the strategy how we need to work with the flag pattern. Most of the traders, swing traders, positional traders or even for intraday, most of them rely on flag pattern and they'll work only on flag pattern. So one should master only one strategy and work accordingly so that they'll be having hands on it and they can make the money. So for flag pattern, it's easy if you master only flag pattern. Let us see how it will work. So when there is a up move, then prices will consolidate. So what will happen when we get an up move? Slowly, like novice investors like you and me want to book the profit because we hardly see the profit. So if you see some profit, then we'll be booking. And in this place, some people are buying again. Again, whoever missed here, they'll be making sell order and they'll be exiting out of the trade. Again, some people will be entering. And again, those people who want to exit here, they'll be exiting. So after a rally, there will be bit consolidation here. What will happen? After a rally, some consolidation, price will break out from here. So on consolidation, if you draw two lines on the top of it and bottom of it, at least touching 2 points on the top side, at least touching 2 points on the bottom side. If you mark, then this is called the flag pattern. And when it is broken out, we can enter here. Sometimes price will come back to this place and this will become as a support and again it will shoot up. So either you can enter on the breakout, the next candle, either you can enter on the breakout candle or else on the next candle and you can write the trade. Sometimes what happens, after rally, consolidation, and there will be lot of selling pressure and it may not break on the top side. Instead of that, it will break down, it will come down. So we can do either ways. On the top of it, we can go buy and hold the stock. On the bottom side, if we are doing intraday or else if you are working on futures and options, you can sell here and hold for few days. If you are doing intraday, you need to exit on the same day. Reverse flag pattern. Flag into the reverse way. After heavy selling, what will happen? Some retracement will happen because we'll be booking our profit on short sell side. Again, prices will come down. Those who missed here, they'll be again booking the profit. It will go in this way. So when you draw a line on the bottom side connecting with the two peaks, on the top side you are drawing a line on the two peaks, that will become a flag pattern. So on the reverse flag pattern, what will happen? After consolidation, price will again start falling. So we need to enter on the breakout part, or else when it is taken a retracement, again when it will move, that is the most confirmed trade. After retracement, and if it takes support here, resistance here, and then it again break down, then you can get entry. On the other hand, after heavy selling, after consolidation, we'll be having in a mood that price will break down and we need to enter. But what will happen here? Sometimes heavy buying pressure will lead to the break on the top side instead of on the bottom side. This is the reverse kind of a stuff. So if it is breaks here, you can enter and you can ride on the buying side. Either you can do a intraday for equity, or else you can work on the options and futures. So in flag pattern, you can work on either ways. So when you see here on the top side breaks, you can entry. On the same side, if instead of top side breaks, on the bottom side breaks, still we can get an entry. On the reverse flag pattern, in the normal way, after heavy selling, some consolidation and selling will continue. You can trade here, and at the same time, instead of it break down, it will take above, and if breaks the resistance and move forward on the buy side. So you can still take a trade here. So on the flag pattern, you can take both the trades on the buy side and even on the sell side. On count of 10, 7 times on buying side, you will be getting on the buy side entry on the flag pattern, correct flag pattern. And only 3 times you will be getting out of 10 the flag pattern actual thing on the breaking on the top side. Instead of that, it will break on the bottom side and price will be reverse. You can enter here. In the similar way, reverse flag pattern, generally what will happen, it will break down and will be entering on the short selling side. Out of 10 times, you will be getting 7 to 8 times on the downside, or even we can say 9 times. Buy side will be little less compared to sell side, will be having more. So couple of times it will be reversing from here and it will going against to the reverse flag pattern. Hope you understand how the flag pattern works. Now we'll go and see on the chart how this will work. Let us see now how the flag pattern actually forms in the chart. So when market slightly move in this way, and there will be heavy consolidation. So when you draw 2 lines, this is called flag. And flag pattern will involve the pole part. This is pole, this is flag. When this get breaks here, it will get retracement and then it will move. Sometimes it will move from here, sometimes it will get retraced and move. In buy side, most of the time it will get retraced and move. So now how to guess the profit? At least we need to see the pole size. The same length of pole size will be the profit size. So this strategy is there from ages. Everybody works on the same. So now we need to work differently. If pole size is 10 points, then don't wait for 10 points target. Better exit at 8 or 9 points instead of 10 points, because lot of people place the target order at 10 points because the pole size is 10. So we should be little different among the crowd. So what we'll do, we'll exit bit, because if big players also playing in the flag pattern, then they'll be trap us. Instead of going to the 10 points, it will move from 7, 8, 9 points and it will come back and it will again we may incur losses. So what we need to do, if pole is 10 points, our target we need to put 8 points. Hope you understand this. Again, so this is the pole, this is the flag. Sometimes what will happen, instead of breaking the above, it will break down and it will come down. And on the downside, retracement will happen very rarely. Fall will be huge. So instead of waiting for the retracement, you can enter. There is a candle closing here, you can enter, but confirmed trade will be sometimes it will go back and hit the SL. So the second candle low, you can take the entry, and if pole size is 10 points, exit at 8 points, because we already taken one more candle below our entry. Here what will happen, this consolidation is that big players want to accumulate the shares. That's the reason consolidation will happen most of the time. So they want to do some kind of a breakout even here to trap the novice traders, as we'll be taking entry. After we take an entry, our SL will hit. Our SL hit means their entry. So be cognizant and take the second candle low. Now let us think that you are working on hourly candles, hourly time frame. The second candle breakout, go and have 10 minutes or 15 minutes chart, and if that candle breaks, then you can enter. Don't wait for another 1 hour candle to break down, because there will be less margin. If you have one candle break on the flag, will be 1 hour, means you are losing some points, and again waiting for another candle, then again 1 hour candle, there will be big SL for you. So better either 5 minutes if you are a pro trader, and if you are a new trader, then wait for 10 minutes and or else 15 minutes candle, and if that candle breaks, you can enter, and then you can exit at the 8 points target if the pole is 10 points target. This is the flag pattern. Now we'll see the reverse flag pattern. So how the reverse flag pattern will form? Heavy selling, you know that, right? Market won't fall on the straight way, and each few points there will be some retracement where a small investors will be exiting, and whenever they exit, big players will be buying. That's the reason when price is coming down, lower low, lower high will form. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. But some part there will be heavy consolidation. Market will stop and it will be moving in this area. And this resembles as a flag, reverse flag and pole. So whatever that pole size, when it breaks down, you will be getting that kind of a profit. Sometimes what will happen, instead of breakdown, our big players, they'll make breakout on the upper side, and you can take entry here. If you want to be more safe, then if it is an 1 hour candle, make a 5 minutes chart and wait for 5 minutes candle on top of it. If that breaks, then take an entry. If that not breaken and price again moved back, you will be safe. So here this will be your SL, this is your target, and length of the pole 10 points, 8 points is your target, and this could be 1:2 or up to 6, you will be getting this. Hope you understand how it works. Lot of big players, they'll work on flag patterns, whether they are investors or positional traders or swing traders or intraday traders. This flag pattern will work from 3-minute charts to even monthly chart. So even for intraday, a lot of people only work on flag pattern, because after consolidation, price should break either side, on the top side or else bottom side. So damn sure that we'll be getting trade either upside or bottom side. Now let us see these things on the chart. This is the Nifty chart. So there is a fall in the market. After fall, what happened? There is a consolidation. Market got reversed here, so we would have taken entry somewhere here, and our SL will be here. But what happened? Market turned down and hit our stop loss. So some people, what they do, if market turn down, when it hits the SL, then pro traders will take the reverse trade. They brought here, SL hit, they sell here, and the same length of pole size they'll wait for the target. Let us see now. There is a pole. There is a flag pattern, and it broke on the top side of the flag. What happened? Can you see that? After break-in, it taken the retracement and it moved ahead. Now whatever the pole size, from your entry, price moved ahead. So this is your profit. If you are comfortable on trailing SL, what you need to do, when price moved up, bring back your SL to at your cost, and price moved up to here, bring back XL somewhere on some of the lower of the pivot. When price goes somewhere here, this is the end of the day on 5 minutes chart, so you need to exit somewhere here. But if you want to hold this for 1 hour chart, price moved up to here, take your TSL here, and when price moved here and taken support retracement bit and again moved up, bring back your SL up to here. Obviously your SL will be hitting here. If you do this, the risk to reward will be very high. Long position, we entered somewhere here. Our SL is somewhere here. Our SL hit here. So see the risk to reward. 1:3.6. For 1000 rupees risk, you are aiming for 3,500. Let us see this pattern in Bank Nifty. We didn't get a trade here, but as this formed as a flag pattern, to identify flag pattern is important. The next day on the gap up, price moved ahead. If on the same day, then it will break, it will take retracement and it will go up. But flag happened on the previous day, next day gap up and price moved up. So now if you see this flag pattern on the next day and on the first candle 5 minutes, if you see this big hammer, and you can see that you can consider this as a breakout and you can take an entry here. On the next day also, if you see hammer or any one of the bullish candlestick pattern, you can enter here. Anywhere consolidation happens and you see that it's something like a flag, for intraday 5 minutes, this is a flag. This is a pole. See now, a bullish candle stopped here. Again, there is a bearish candles, could not go below to this line. There is a red candle, again come down, and here heavy bullish candle breakout. See the red candle taken the retracement, again price moved up. So what we need to do? We should buy here and SL below to the flag thing, because there is not much this thing. So our target is 1:2. This is given even more, but 1:2 we got it here itself. And if you are a pro trader, intelligent trader, when price moved here, bring back your, take off this. When price moved here on the first day, next day opening, you put your SL here, so that you will be having some profit on your pocket. When it retraced and price moved up, bring back your SL here. Price moved up, there is a small retracement. So price after this a big bullish candle, go and put your SL here. Again price moved up to here. Take this SL somewhere here. Let the price come and hit your SL. So this is your profit. We entered somewhere here. From here to here is your profit. Approximately you got 1:4 or 5. Let us take, instead of 5 minutes, we'll put it 1 hour and see. You should identify with your naked eye. For intraday, you can exit. For positional, you can hold this till your 1:2 ratio or whatever. See here, lot of breakouts, but if you see big wicks on top side, then that is not confirmation. When you take entry, you need to take entry when you see this kind of a bullish candle somewhere here. All these bearish candles, or else wicks on the top, means indecision. Price is not deciding to go up or go down. See, it's taking support on the top side. Only when you see this green candle, after top of it, price moved up. Taken some consolidation, but finally price given target given. Let us see one more. We got good example here. This is a head and shoulder pattern, but still we can consider this as a flag pattern as well. As we are discussing flag pattern, then I consider this as a flag pattern. But if you see our previous video on head and shoulder, we can even still take the head and shoulder part. Now price broken down, again retested with a big hammer candle on the downside, reverse hammer candle. Our entry below to this, and our target almost to this pole. Hope you understand. Now let us even explain on the this is left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and this is the neckline. This is the neckline. On the neckline breakout, we have retracement candle, we have an entry. Both the same almost. Let us see the next stock. Easy identification, right? Flag pattern. This is the pole, and you have big rally. Still it's going up to here. You can hold. See, you need to do very less trades. Though your risk to reward or strategy success rate is even 60 or 70%, do less trades. But do TSL, trading SL, target SL, and then move. See that you'll be getting complete target. Instead of doing 10 trades and getting 10,000, do 2 trades and get 10,000, so that you can save on the brokerage side as well. If you see pole, there is a flag, but broken on the downside, taken retracement, coming down, market is coming down. Now leave how the flags are working, but at least first you need to identify flag. Okay. See, this is again flag. What happened? This is the pole. Instead of breaking down, it broken up, taken a reverse trade and given a good profit. Alright, we have seen several examples. Let us close here. Now your task is to go to the Nifty 50 stocks. Take each stock. Go to 2 years back and identify flag patterns. First you need to identify flag pattern. Leave that, where to put SL and what is the target that you got and all these things. First, when you see the chart, you need to identify the flag pattern. Once it's easy for you to identify, then you need to think that where is the breakout, whether we need to enter on the retracement, and then if you are taken an entry, where should be a sell, where should be our target. So work in this way on the Nifty 50 stocks. If I'm in your place, I'll be spending at least 1 month on this for the back testing and all before I start trading. So like this channel, pause this video, like this channel and subscribe this channel. That is the energy for me if you are doing that. So otherwise, if you are not people watching but not doing this, it may not get entry. I may stop somewhere and I may posting videos very less, and that too very late. Nowadays I'm putting 2 videos and some shorts as well in a week, though I'm not getting time, my work as well as doing this. My encouragement will come from the boost of subscribers count and also liking the videos. So please like this video and also subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be getting a lot of videos. Thank you. Bye bye.